Hello everyone, welcome to day 6 of our Advent calendar. So let's have a look. What do we have? We have got what I was hoping for yesterday, some lovely shiny gems. Now these gems are really reflective and they have a really nice dimensional surface on them as well. So I'm going to take them, and I've cut out some more flowers from our dies from yesterday, and I used the paper that I had left, and I have cut them in a way that it goes, the largest part of the flower is lighter all the way through to the darker, and then the leaves I cut out where there was room left over on the paper. I'm going to take the largest of our flower layers, and I've flipped it over, and I'm using the ball tool on my tool-in-one, and I'm just going to give some shape to my flower petals. And I just wanted to point out I didn't have enough room on the paper that I had left over to cut the largest layer of the flower. So today I'm using all the other layers except for the largest one. Once I'm finished shaping each of the petals, I'll flip my flower over and I'll round the center, and that helps bring out the dimension for the layer. For the other smaller layers, I am just going to work on the center of the layers, and that will make them cup up into really pretty shape. So just about finished, and I'm going to swap my flower shaping tool out and put back in my slanted pick tool. So now I'm going to go ahead and glue my layers together, and that's where this pointed or slanted pick tool comes in really handy. It allows you to get into the center of the flower and then manipulate it to the exact position that you want. Now I'm just doing the stamens, and I've put the lightest one down first, and then I'm going to do the darkest one. I'm not sure if I prefer it that way or whether I think I would have liked it better if I went the dark stamens and then the light stamens. Either way, we'll make it work. So I'm taking one of the second smallest stones from our gemstones, and I'm going to pop that into the center. And you can see I've got 2 leaves here cut, and I'm just bending and softening the fibers in the watercolor paper, and then that'll allow me to give our leaves a little bit of shape and dimension. And there's the flower and its leaves. I'll just bring in the flower from yesterday, and you can compare the size of the two, with the larger one having the larger base layer on top. Well, that's it for now, everybody. I hope you join me tomorrow. Bye bye for now.